What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the serial filler for the break. So we got all 10 names and 1 through 10. And then all non-numbered inserts will go into one pile, and that includes non-numbered autos or anything. And then we'll do a random for all of those at the end, so everybody has a shot at the non-numbered. So, guys, let's do this 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. 3 times. We got Dom on top, Adam on the bottom. And 1, 2, 3. 3 times. We got 7 on top, and 10 or 0. That's technically 0 on the bottom. So I'll change that real quick. Guys, there you have it.